Hey everybody, this is Mark. I'm going to be showing you how to set the default program for opening a specific file type, like let's say a text document, Excel sheet, a PDF. So yeah, so basically an image too, so like a JPG, PNG, so anything like different file types. So what you do is you right click on the file, go all the way down to properties. You're going to see here under the general tab, you're going to see opens with, and it'll tell you the program it opens with. All you gotta do is hit change, and then you choose the program here. If you don't see it, you click on more apps. So let's say we wanted it to open with Paint, you'd click OK. And now it changes to Paint, you'd hit apply, OK. Now when you open it, double click on it, you're gonna see that it opens up with that specific program. So right click, properties, change, we're gonna put it back to Notepad, apply, OK. Now it's gonna open with Notepad. Oh yeah, so that's pretty much everything. Have a nice day, and don't forget to leave a like if you liked the video, and subscribe for more content. See you.